guys, this is Asma Sayed from Mr. and Mrs. Dubindian, and today we are at Charminar, and opposite to Charminar there's a shop called Shadan beside Farasha Hotel जो कि बहुत famous है चाय के लिए. So here we have original pearls and they have beautiful design in pearls design in any kind of shape. जड़ा भी लच्छा satgada you can make in your own design. So let's start the video without wasting any time and see what kind of jewelry they have. In my hand I have a beautiful pearls which is called a rice pearl, and rice pearl is very famous in Hyderabad because it's basically you can find in Hyderabad only, and in this pearls you can make any kind of design, whatever design if you like. You can just order them and they will make you in your design. So this is very beautiful pearls and it is very famous. As you can see आप किसी भी shape में बना सकते हैं. And next we have oval shaped pearl, and as you can see this is in egg shape. And this is amazing guys, बहुत ही खूबसूरत pearls है ये. Again in this also you can make your own design, and they have बने बनाए जो necklaces होते हैं they also have that, but if you want to make with your design आप आकर यहाँ पर ऐसी भी pearls ले सकते हैं. This is half round pearls. This is beautiful और थोड़ा सा half white होते हैं ये. This is not that white. This is half white and this is 100% original pearls, and you will get a certificate with that, government certificate, so that you don't have any doubt in your mind that it is fake or it is genuine. You will get a certificate. And next they have it's a round pearls. Pearls में see guys, pearls में they have different shapes, different designs. Pearls में they have round shape, rice pearls और बहुत सारे किस्म के pearls होते हैं. So this is completely round or this is very beautiful, and you can again make in your own design. And whatever pearls I have shown you, you can just order them and you don't need any designs actually. You can just make a one piece like this and you just wear it and it looks absolutely beautiful. As we have just now seen half round pearls, in this same pearls is used, half round pearls is used और दो layers में इसको बनाया गया है. It looks absolutely beautiful. बीच में center में they have given grey color pearls and they make their own designs here. कोई आपको ऐसे designs you will not find on any place. तो आपको यहाँ पर 100% उनके design and उनके pearls मिलेंगे, and this is very pretty set or which you can actually use in party wear or in office also. This is very beautiful piece, and you will think that pearls है तो it will cost you more, but guys this is absolutely budget friendly and it's look very costly and very classy, but this is very beautiful and very pretty set. And just now I have shown you 2 layers pearls design, but now I have this 3 layers pearls again in half round pearls, and this is side pendant design onyx में बनाया गया है, and it's beautiful. आपको party wear if you want to make it with white gown or green dress, this is a beautiful set. Now I'm going to show you very unique design which you have I think आपने बहुत कम देखा होगा. आजकल pearls तो यूज़ हो रही है, लेकिन I'm going to show you in oyster also which आप ये तो देखे ही होंगे कभी अपनी लाइफ में, and this is made up of this. Can you believe इससे ये बना है, and this is absolutely beautiful set, and this is made up of oyster and mother of pearls जिसे कहते हैं. This is made up of that, and it's so beautiful. Flower design में with round pearls के साथ इसको बनाया गया है, and it also comes, all the necklaces also comes with the earrings also, और आपको if you want only necklace you can make a necklace only. So here I have again one more beautiful piece which is made up in half round pearls, and this is in 7 layers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, और center में इसके गया है half round pearl के बीच में oval shape दिया गया है, and this is very beautiful and very elegant. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया you can make any design any shape, आपको बस pearls सेलेक्ट करना है और आप अपना खुद का एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त सा सेट बना सकते हैं. So again I have something new over here. I am very excited in this video because I found so many things in this shop जो कि मुझे कोई और अलग अलग दुकानों में जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी है. They have here CZ also. If you are Hyderabadi you will definitely know about this. This is very classy and very beautiful CZ stones, और बहुत ही शाइनिंग स्टोन्स होते हैं ये. यू विल फाइंड एनी कलर एनी डिज़ाइन इन दिस ऑल्सो. देखिए इसकी शाइन कितनी खूबसूरत है, और बहुत सारे कलर्स ऑप्शंस है. यू विल गेट इन एनी कलर, whatever color you want they will make in that color, और this is not that costly. in the middle range आप बहुत ही खूबसूरत चीज़ हासिल कर सकते हैं. So guys, can you see this necklaces? जो चोकर में डिज़ाइन में होता है, चोकर इज़ ऑलवेज माई फेवरेट क्योंकि ये नेक से लगा होता है. You don't have to wear anything beside this and this is absolutely beautiful. And this is made up of CZ zircon stones और this is also pearls में, original pearls में बनाया गया है. And this is absolutely a wonderful set with comes with the earrings also. और इसको आप कोई भी कलर्स में बना सकते हैं, कोई भी स्टोन्स में बना सकते हैं. This is guys very beautiful. अगर वन स्टोन में भी आपको चाहिए तो भी आप बना सकते हैं. 3 layers, 4 layers, 10 layers, जो भी लेयर्स आपको चाहिए पर्ल्स में उसको आप और बढ़वा सकते हैं. So guys, again as I told you कि मैं आपको बहुत सारी वैरायटीज़, बहुत सारी डिफरेंट पर्ल्स में बताने वाली हूँ. अगेन दिस इज़ ऑल्सो बटन पर्ल्स. नाम तो सुना ही होगा आपने कभी. बटन पर्ल्स में बनाए गए हैं जिगजैग डिज़ाइन में और बहुत ही खूबसूरत नेकलेस है ये यहाँ पर. और इसको आप पेंडेंट में बना सकते हैं, विदाउट पेंडेंट बना सकते हैं, साइड पेंडेंट बना सकते हैं. यहाँ पर तीनों आपके पास एग्जाम्पल्स रखे हुए हैं. ये है साइड पेंडेंट में, विदाउट पेंडेंट में और सेंटर पेंडेंट. और तीनों भी बटन पेंडेंट्स में बनाए गए हैं और अलग मोती यूज़ किया गया है इसमें. इसमें थोड़ा सा कलर है, ये थोड़ा वाइट है और बहुत क्रिएटिविटी से इन्होंने अपने खुद के डिज़ाइंस बनाए. और प्राइस रेंज भी इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. एनी प्राइस रेंज में आप बनवा सकते हैं. आपको कम रेंज में से ज़्यादा रेंज तक हर रेंज में यहाँ पर मिल जाएंगे. 1800 से शुरुआत होती है. इन 1800 यू विल फाइंड अ ब्यूटीफुल सेट जो जाता है रेंज इनका 50,000 तक. एंड हियर ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन जो आप अपने ऑफिस वेयर में या कैजुअल वेयर में पहन सकते हैं. ओनली वन लड़ आ रही है मोती की, लेकिन दिस इज़ सो एलिगेंट. क्वेश्चन मार्क टाइप थोड़ा सा पेंडेंट बना गया है विच इज़ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव और बहुत ही खूबसूरत है. विथ ईयरिंग्स आता है ये भी और इसका भी प्राइस कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा बजट फ्रेंडली है ये. और अगर आपको इफ़ यू वांट 2 layers विथ 2 पेंडेंट्स, नेकलेस तो एक ही है, ये दोनों जॉइंट है पीछे से बट दे हैव 2 पेंडेंट्स इन इट. तो लगता है कि आप 2 सेट पहने हैं लेकिन ये एक ही है एक्चुअल में. और अगेन दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी प्रिटी. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो समथिंग न्यू फॉर यंग जनरेशन, यंग गर्ल्स, टीनेजर गर्ल्स, या आप अपनी शादी पे भी इफ़ यू आर क्रिश्चियन ब्राइड आप पहन सकते हैं. गाउन्स पे बहुत ही खूबसूरत जाता है ये विच इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वेरी यूनिक डिज़ाइन. बहुत तार में बनाया गया है, मिक्सअप और बहुत वेस्टर्न लुक दिया गया है एंड इट्स वेरी क्लासी. यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन गाउन, यू कैन वेयर इट ऑन जीन्स टी शर्ट. बहुत यूनिक सा डिज़ाइन है ये. And again this is also comes with any design, any color. You can mix with pearl colors, grey color, white color, pink color, any color if you want you can make. I have shown you so many necklaces, but not only necklaces you can make in pearls, but you can make anything, not just necklaces or sets, but bangles, earrings, rings. बहुत सारी चीज़ें आप बना सकते हैं. This is very beautiful and very old design which is also called as Sridevi design. This is made up in rice pearls. And this is absolutely a wonderful design क्योंकि इसका फैशन कभी जाता नहीं है because it's always trendy and it comes with a screw system. You can just open this screw and wear it. अगर आपके साइज़ का भी कुछ मसला नहीं है you can wear in any size. This is very beautiful. And here this is half round pearl with no any other fitting, just the pearl, simple pearl bangle, and this is so elegant. You can just wear 1 bangle, 2 bangles or any quantity you want. You can wear 10, 20, whatever आपको चाहिए अगर आप पहन सकते हैं. This comes in 2 set. सारे बैंगल्स 2 के सेट्स में आते हैं एंड दिस इज़ हाफ राउंड pearl. एंड अगेन वन मोर ब्यूटीफुल डिज़ाइन. दिस इज़ ओवल शेप विद बेयरिंग और बहुत प्यारा है ये भी. एंड दिस इज़ सो प्रिटी. लुक एट द शाइन. ये बेयरिंग की वजह से इट्स शाइनिंग मोर एंड मोर. And this one is round pearl with bearing. If you want bearing you can add a bearing or you want the simple one as I have shown you before. This is the simple one and this is with the stones if you want to add up. And if you want just the pendant and earring, that also they have. और ये बहुत चलता है. You can wear in a silver chain or in gold chain. If you are wearing gold then you can take gold, and if you're wearing silver you can have in silver. Or any shape, any design you can buy. They have lots of varieties and in pendant and in earrings. तो आप बहुत सारे varieties है जैसे कि आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. You can select in this designs also. They have so many options in pendant and in earrings. यहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे earrings है. Just the earrings. All these are in original pearls, which you can mix and match on your designs or your dress type. This one I found it here which is very cute. थोड़ा सा South Indian type में है, झुमका जिसे कहते हैं, and it looks so pretty. And again this is also made up in rice pearl, and this one is also made up in rice pearl, and it's absolutely pretty. जो चांद शेप कहते हैं उस वाली में है, and काफ़ी old traditional में बना गया है, and but it looks so classy. Again जो fashion which is gone and it also come again. So this is the same design, rice pearl. Guys, look at this. This is so pretty. I'm just showing you whatever I like over here, but if you want to see the whole collection, they have hundreds of designs. They have beautiful and elegant designs which you have to come and have a look. Here I found this is very pretty earrings. Comes with one layer, and this is so pretty with the pink color stone in it, and this is completely original pearls. Or in this pendant and earring set, you will find hundreds of designs. As you can see here, these are all in one layer moti, और बहुत प्यारे प्यारे इसमें डिज़ाइंस है. And they also have bracelets over here. If you're not that fond of jewelry as like me, I don't wear much jewelry. I just want to wear in my hands. So if you want to wear something elegant in your hand like a bracelet or a ring, तो आपके लिए ये भी बहुत अच्छा option है, which is just a bracelet. Or just look at this. This is so pretty if you wear just a bracelet in your hand. And this is very surprising that whatever I saw here, which is अगर बाहर के market value से if you compare, they are giving you in very less price, and everything which I've shown you, which is very budget friendly, and also anyone can buy it. If you want to go for a higher range, that also you will find here. If you want to go for a mid range, all the kind of varieties they have, आपको जो भी range में चाहिए, you just come and find it over here. The good thing over here is with everything, whatever you buy over here, you will get a certificate which is very good. You don't have to have a doubt in your mind that ये original है या नहीं. You will get a certificate with each and everything. With the ring also you will get a certificate or government recognized certificate that this is a genuine pearls, 100% pearls shop. तो आपको बहुत अच्छी वाली क्वालिटी मिलेगी. Not just pearls, they have real gems also. This is 100% real gems with onyx, and this is so beautiful. Look at the color, green color, it's so classy, and they have so many options in this. Again, this is in choker with 100% original pearls and 100% original gems. Any color you can make in any color, green, red, maroon, any color you can make. Or this is absolutely a wonderful piece. I like this one. I'm just showing you which I like most. They have so many options. Again, as I told you earlier, you just have to come here and see the designs. Whatever you like, original Hyderabadi, traditional jewelry, or the pearls jewelry, or anything, you just come here, you will find anything in under one roof. Last but not the least, without showing this, the video will be incomplete. And this one is the most famous Satlada, जो हैदराबादी ट्रेडिशनल ज्वेलरी में आता है. सो यू कैन मेक इन एनी कलर्स, रेड, मरून, मल्टी कलर्स, एंड इट ऑल्सो कम्स विद अ झुमकास, करण फूल जिसे कहते हैं, एंड दिस वन, एंड दिस इज़ द एब्सोल्युटली एलिगेंट पीस, एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो 100% pearls. And Satlada, if I have shown you Satlada, so I have to show you Jaravi Lacha. This is also very old jewelry, Hyderabadi traditional jewelry. As I've always told you, this is our favorite jewelry. Hyderabadi culture jewelry is incomplete without Jaravi Lacha and Satlada. And this is also wear as twin sister, you can wear together, which looks very beautiful. अगर color match भी नहीं है, look, this is maroon and this is green again, but it's going so well together. And this is called Jaravi Lacha and Satlada. This both comes with this Karan Phool. दोनों के साथ करण फूल आते हैं, एंड दिस इज़ एब्सोल्युटली एलिगेंट पीस. 100% ओरिजिनल पर्ल्स के साथ, एनी कलर्स यू कैन मेक इन एनी कलर, ग्रीन, रेड एंड मल्टी कलर्स. So with this note, I'm gonna end up my video, which is about the pearls jewelry. And if you like our videos, so don't forget to like, share and comment, and subscribe to our channel, which is Miss and Mrs. Dubindian. If you want any design, any necklace which you like over here, you can take their contact number, which we are gonna share in the description box. You will have their WhatsApp number, their contact number. You can share any picture, they will make the design and they will deliver it to you if you are living anywhere in this country. But if you are living in Hyderabad or in India, do come visit to the shop, which is located in Charminar, opposite to Charminar and beside to Farasha Hotel. And this is very famous Shadan Pearls Jewelry. Peace be upon you all.